Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About s squared and s to the power of 3, we can do about factorization by s. About negative s, I can put into positive number, positive s minus 2s. Next, I need to do factorization by s. This one I will do about factorization by negative number 2. So s plus 1, s plus 1, we can do another factorization. And now we can do about partial fractions. I will put about capital A over s, capital B over s minus 2, capital C over s plus 1. Now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s minus 2 and s plus 1. So capital A multiplied by s minus 2, s plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s and s plus 1. So capital B multiplied by s and s plus 1. And the next one, that's about s and s minus 2. Now, we need to expand. Now, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we have a plus b plus c. About s, we have negative number 1 multiplied by a and number 1 multiplied by b and negative number 2 multiplied by c. About the number, we have negative 2a. Now, we need to compare coefficients. About s squared, we have number 10. So a plus b plus c equals to number 10. About this one, equals to negative number 2. About the number, this one equals to negative number 6. And now, we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So A equals to number 3, B equals to number 5, C equals to number 2. So we put A, B, C gone here. So A equals to number 3, B equals to number 5, C equals to number 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 3 ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have 5 ln of the absolute value of s minus 2. The integration of this one, we have 2 ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. And then I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.